Last weekend, Abhi and I took the one line to Linwood, met up with our friends, and headed out on a camping adventure in North Cascades National Park. Join us as we soak in the views, hang out by the campfire, and explore everything this beautiful spot has to offer. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Our first stop was New Halem for lunch. This is the closest town to North Cascades National Park where you can grab essentials like food, firewood and snacks. We had some homemade chicken salad and picked up fresh fudge from the Skagit General Store, a perfect little fuel stop before heading deeper into the park. After lunch, we explored the Trail of the Cedars, a short and easy hike along the Skagit River that offers one of the best views of the valley. Now let me give you a quick tour of Colonial Creek South Campground to give you an idea of the surroundings, the campsite and the amazing view you can expect here. This campground is one of the most scenic and accessible places to camp in North Cascades National Park. Nestled right along the shores of Diablo Lake, it offers a peaceful forested setting surrounded by towering trees and mountain peaks. Campsites are well spaced, offering a mix of shade and lake views. Most of them come with a picnic table, fire ring, and a flat ground for tents. Some sites like ours even have direct access to the lake, perfect for morning coffees by the water or stargazing at night. But keep in mind the shores are muddy. There are two hiking trails right next to the campground. One is an easy 3.4-mile hike with stunning views of Diablo Lake, and the other is a more challenging trail that runs along Thunder Creek, giving you a true taste of North Cascades wilderness. We decided to go with the easy option, the Thunder Knob Trail, which was perfect for a quick evening hike with amazing views and minimal effort. We set up a bonfire and made some camping classics like hot dogs and s'mores, then wrapped up the day under a sky full of stars, embracing the stillness of the jungle. Honestly, pure magic. So it's 7 a.m. in the morning and I have this place all to myself. I am exploring the Thunder Creek Trail and this is the first thing that I saw, which is an amphitheater within a national park. Let me show you, it looks very interesting. On day 2, after snapping about 50 photos at a campsite, because how could we not, we packed up and set off to explore some of the top spots in North Cascades National Park. Our first stop was Diablo Lake Vista Point. This is the iconic view of North Cascades National Park. The turquoise water of Diablo Lake looks absolutely surreal from up here, especially on a sunny day. It's one of the most photographed spots in the park, and once you see it in person, you'll exactly know why. Next, we headed to the Thunder Arm viewpoint, which is near the North Colonial Creek Campground. This viewpoint gave us a more intimate look at the lake and its surrounding peaks reflecting in the still turquoise water. Our next stop was Gorge Lake Overlook that offers dramatic views of the Gorge Lake and the steep canyon walls that surround it. This spot is a great reminder of how powerful and rugged the North Cascades really are. Right next to the Gorge Lake Overlook is a hidden gem that is easy to miss. Just a short walk from the parking lot over the bridge, you'll get a stunning view of the falls cascading into the canyons. It's a picturesque spot that you'll often have it all to yourself. Just behind the Gorge Powerhouse, Ladder Creek Falls is a short scenic trail that winds through a beautifully landscaped garden with footbridges, ferns and cascading water. The falls themselves are tucked into the forest and feel magical, especially at dusk when the area lights up. Yes, it literally lights up at night. Don't skip this one, it's just 5-minute walk from Skagit General Store. Final stop was at the visitor center. It's more than just a place to grab a map. The views of the Pinnacle Peak from the back deck are breathtaking, and inside you'll find great exhibits on park's geology, wildlife and glaciers. We also picked up some cute souvenirs and also got my journal stamped. A perfect way to wrap up the trip. Like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more national park guides and itineraries.